Welcome to JRM Sweeps. I have a 2020 Ram 1500 Lone Star Edition. We are going to change out the high beam bulbs. In the box you're going to get a manual, set of gloves. These are the lights that we are going to install. Now, one of the features that I love about these lights is the fact that they have cooling fans on the side. This is the driver's side of the truck. If you look right here, this is a dust cover. All you have to do is just simply remove this. The high beam bulb is going to be this guy right here. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise. On the back of the bulb, there's going to be a retainer clip. Pull up on that and you'll be able to pull the bulb right out. I have the new bulb installed. You are going to insert it into the housing, rotate it clockwise until it seats. Don't forget to install the dust cover here. We'll repeat this process on the other side. I'm at the passenger side of the vehicle. We'll need to remove that dust cover here. To remove the light, we are going to rotate it counterclockwise. Again, to insert the new bulb into the housing, you're going to rotate it clockwise until it seats, and we'll put the dust cover back on. I put a link in the video description if you'd like to order these online. These light bulbs again are from AUXITO. I totally recommend these. Thanks for watching.